Hey y'all, Monday morning the 23rd, we're driving off Thursday morning the 26th, something like that. Anyway, got a lot done Saturday, but I forgot to do any videoing. But what I ended up doing was I couldn't get my gears here in time to change my 12 bolt over to a good highway gear. So I had a 10 bolt here, but it needed all new bearings. Couldn't get them in time here. So I ended up using an S10 rear end I had that had 273 gears in it, which I went and drove yesterday, and man, it's so perfect. But I had a vibration in it, so I got to looking in the U-joint. The U-joint we got that was supposed to match up the S10 rear end with the 12 bolt side of the drive shaft. It was almost right, but it wasn't. It had like a 1/16 or an 1/8 of an inch play up and down. So I know that's my vibration. So I had to wait till this morning, Monday morning, till the parts store opened, went down, and we've been going through all kinds of numbers and stuff, and I got the exact one I needed. In fact, it's the same one I used on the 55 wagon out there, because it's got a LS in it and a 4L60 and the S10 rear end. And if you look closely, the S10 rear end's missing out of the wagon. Anyway, that's what's underneath my car right now. So, and I had to put the wheels off the wagon on here for now, because this crap is communist thread or metric, whatever, communist metric, whatever. So I got these wheels on it, but in order to put my big off-road wheels on there, this is for the snow, man. If we run into any snow up there in Albuquerque and Flagstaff, I'm riding with those. Those are the ones I use on our race week and our sick week trips, because it pulled my gear ratio up enough where I could run 60, 65 comfortable, but I didn't want to do that all the way out to Vegas and back with non-stop, except for nighttime. So that's why this whole changeover was. So just to make my motor feel better. But man, it made me feel better when I drove it Saturday, because man, it was flying. Anyway, that's where I'm at right now. The rear end's all up under there. I got all my mounts and everything's welded. I don't know if you can see it or not. I'm behind the camera over here. Anyway, had to get a special little fitting for the rubber hose connection to go over that metric crap, communist metric, whatever. And I'm pretty much done after I get this on. I've got my new U-joint here. I just now got back with it. And see, it's got the clips for the inside for the S10, and then the clips for the outside for the 12 bolt drive shaft I had in there. It's a good U-joint. It's the same one. This is the one I've been running for years and hadn't had any trouble out of it. It's the same people. So anyway, I'm fixing to knock that out and put the drive shaft back in, drive it to the parts store, get some lug nuts that I need, communist lug nuts, and put them on, put my big tires on, and I may go drive it for a while today. I think I got an upgrade on my trailer too, man. I'm kind of cheating, I feel bad. My trailer, I don't know if you can see it, it's down there. Yeah, here, let's back up. My trailer's right there. And it's pretty much ready, but the top opens up and then I throw a tarp over it and it keeps me dry. Doesn't keep me very warm. But James called yesterday, Sunday, I guess, and said, hey man, why don't you take my trailer? And man, he's got a super nice trailer, man. I mean, it's air conditioned, it don't leak water. It's got a bed in it. It's pretty neat, and it's kind of like a teardrop, except it's square, but rectangle. But anyway, so I think I'm probably going to take it, man. The more and more I thought, I said no at first because I didn't want to, I don't know what I didn't want. I wanted to go as I do the drag and drive with, you know, my car and my trailer, but man, just thinking about being in there if we run into a bunch of rain at nighttime and sleeping nice and dry, but whatever. Oh, and it ends up, another surprise, or not surprise, but anyway, another change is Larry and the hum rod is going with me. So I'll leave here in Hot Springs and meet him up somewhere, Russellville or somewhere around there, because that's close. He's closer to the Highway 40 up that way, so I'll go meet him instead of him coming here, and then we'll shoot off together. And anyway, that's the plan. And I got some pretty cool stuff set up for the windows. I'm gonna try to get that done today. So we're fixing to have a blast, man. That's all I could say. We got some neat place we're gonna camp out and then check out, and just looking forward to it. Jason Schaefer, Angel's keeper, so I should say Angel. Angel may be going with us, and she's bringing Jason with her if she goes. So we may have the coupe, or he may just be riding along with one of us. So I hope he can go, because he's kind of, or Angel's kind of the life of the party. This lucky for Jason, she lets him tag along. Anyway, yeah, I got some set up for the windows. I got my cowl off, and up there I'm gonna seal all that up, because normally when it's raining, water comes in there pretty steady. So I'm gonna try to get as dry as I can. Anyway, that's it, man. I'll quit rambling on. See you guys in the next video.